Okay, so let's look at a practice quiz now. Okay, now let's go up here. A right triangle DEF has vertices at 0, 0, 10, 0, which best describes the possible locations of F, right triangle. A point on the line y equals 10 No. A point on the line y equals 0. No. A point on the line x equals 10. Okay. Maybe. Any point between D and E. So this is point D. This is point E, except at y equals 0. Any point between D and E, a right triangle has vertices. Best location of F. Well, it can't be this, it can't be this, it must be this one? And then we could go anywhere in here, anywhere in here, anywhere in here, something like that. Let's try that. We needed a vertical line for a side to connect to. Question mark? Alright. Quadrilateral DEFT. So 2, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 7. Negative 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now, what is the best name for the quadrilateral? So let's grab this and this. Okay, alright. Sure looks like a parallelogram, doesn't it? No. Maybe. No. Maybe. Let's check the slopes. Okay? Let's check the slopes. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3. I like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is, let's see, 3 over 6, up 3 over 6. This one is down 10 over 9. not perpendicular. Parallelogram. Okay? Takes some time, but it can be done. Alright. Square has vertices 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, positive 8. Negative 2, 1. What is the slope of NP? A square has M, N. What is the slope of NP? Oh, well, that's easy. Slope. Oop. Slope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 over 5. In the positive. Okay. C, rise, and the run. Okay, square TUVW. TUVW 0, 0, 5, 5, 0, 10. 0, 10. What are the coordinates of W? Oh, 5. Bingo, bango, bongo. Negative 5, 5. Alright. See slopes for perpendicular. Or draw the big square to prove it. Cool? Alright. Last but not least, find the first step in constructing the perpendicular bisector. You got to spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Place a point on the compass B and draw an arc between A and B. Okay. Place the point on A and an arc between A and B. Okay. Place the point of the compass on B. Open the compass so it's greater than halfway between B. Okay. Use your straight edge to draw a line. No. I really like this one best because it had to be greater than half. Okay. Alright, that's it. Hopefully that was helpful getting ready for this week's final on Module 1, Topic 1. See you on Monday.